Hello team, let me welcome you in my new video on Reentrant Lock. Initially, if you have seen the theory part, I have explained how the synchronization works, what are the types of synchronization. Even I have talked about locks and especially Reentrant locks. There are other types of lock also, but my focus here is totally on Reentrant lock. Let's see an example. This is my class Reentrant Lock test. I have basically taken a stack here. I have given initial capacity of 5. Stack is basically first in, last out. It is like a bucket like this. Whichever we will go first, it will come last out of it. It is a bucket. Now I have created basically an object of Reentrant Lock by name lock, and I have put it two conditions here. That is stack empty condition and stack full condition. I have lock.new condition and lock.new condition for both of these conditions here. Lock isn't basically I have created an object of new entrant lock here. Now what I have done, if you remember of stack, there is a push method to a stack. Push means you are putting in elements inside the stack. So I have string here, I have items here, and while putting this item into stack, I am taking a lock above here. This lock is from Reentrant Locks. Now, if stack.size double is equals to capacity, what is the capacity here? Capacity I have taken initially 5. If it is double equals to capacity, that means stack is full. Then you have to take stack full condition dot await. Otherwise, stack empty condition dot signal or. What is this stack full condition and stack empty condition? You remember I have taken lock and two new conditions over here, and one I have set stack empty condition and one I have set stack full condition. This is basically intercommunication between these locks. I have stack full condition, I have put it await if stack is full. So if stack is full, make it wait, and stack empty condition dot signal or. That means go and signal the empty condition here. If size is less is not equal to capacity, then stack that push item and stack empty condition dot signal or. Fine. Finally, you have lock dot unlock. This is push to stack. Now, basically I have pop from stack where I have said string str double quotes, this is empty string. Again I have taken lock over it. I have said while stack.size double equals to 0. Till the size of the stack is equal to 0, till that time stack empty condition dot await. Keep it waiting till this condition is 0. Till you have stack empty stack, there is no position if you are popping something from the stack. When some element comes to stack, then only you can pop out something. So till the stack size is 0, stack empty condition dot await. If this condition is not true or you are out of this condition, just have stack dot pop that string, system dot out println that string, and return that string. Finally, string full condition dot signal out and lock dot unlock. Fine. Now let me go and run this for you. I have basically 4 names here: Arun, Aryan, Anand, and Mehul. I am pushing in this order only. First I will push Arun, then Aryan, then Anand, and then Mehul. Mehul is the last that I have pushed in. So it is first in and last out. So but whoever will go first, that will become last out. So in that condition, this will come first out. Let me go and run this for you, because I am pushing these 4 and I am popping only one element here. Let me go and run it. So my answer should be Mehul. Yes. Now let me run it one more time. Basically I want to pop it again. And this time Mehul and Anand should be the output. Yes. First Mehul and then Anand. So everything is fine. What is the reason that everything is fine? Because I have capacity of 5 and I am putting only 4 elements here or 4 names here. Let me go and change this condition to 3. I am putting 4 names here and now capacity is 3. Let me again go back and run this for you. Nothing is printed. Why? There is a catch here. Think about it. Let me go and kill this thread. Now, I thought that when I am pushing something here, it is fine, but I am printing messages only at the time of pop. So I have gone below this and I have seen that this pop method is not working. I have taken lock.lock and while lock.size equal to 0, stack empty condition.await else stack.pop. So I have basically doubt here. So I have basically go and change this method pop from stack, that is lock.lock, and from while condition I have changed it from while condition I have changed it to if, because here I am saying while stack.size double equal to 0. So let me go and make this change. Now I have, if stack is not empty, then pop an element from stack, system.out at print element. If stack is empty, then stack empty condition dot signal out. Okay, let me go and run this for you. Stop all. Let me go and run this again for you. And again, no output here. Again, there is a catch here. Let me go and stop this for you. Let me minimize it. And actually, what is the basic issue that I need to check here? Basically, I am doing everything in a main thread. There is only one thread which is going and taking a lock, and it is going in await and signal all because capacity is 3 and I am pushing 4 elements. So when I am going to push to dot stack, it will stack dot size equal to get capacity, and the main thread goes to wait. If it goes to wait, then who will go and signal all this? So that's why it is going and waiting here. This is the issue. That means I am doing everything in a single thread. So let me go and comment this part for you. And let me come to this class. This is Reentrant Lock test. Let me come to main 6. Here I have public static void main. Here I have created Reentrant Lock, rlock, new Reentrant Lock, fine. I have an object of rlock. I have created one thread, thread 1 is equals to new thread, and here I have done rlock.push.stack Arun Aryan. I have thread 2 which is pushing Anant and Mehul, and I have thread 3 which is popping all the 4 elements. Fine. Now I have done thread 1 dot start, thread 2 dot start, thread 3 dot start. So what expected is the output here. Still the condition is capacity is 3. I am expecting that all the 4 names will get pushed in and they will be pop out. This is my expectation. Let's see. Anant, Aryan, Arun, Mehul. And all the 4 names are here. So I am doing correctly here. The only thing that presently missing is that I am using stack here, but if you will see in which order I have pushed it here is not confirmed. Whether Arun or Aryan after Arun Aryan is pushed or after Arun Anant is pushed, this I don't know. So the order in which these strings are get pushed, they will pop out from that order only. That order of pushing is not maintained here. Even I am not bothered about that. My main thing is that I am using a stack of size 3 till that time I am not able to push the element beyond that size, my thread should wait. This is my basic condition. This is basically I'm using a stack where I'm pushing some element into stack, and if my stack gets full, it should wait. Now I have pushed 4 elements here, and let me pop out 5th element also, which is not pushed also. So what would be the output? Let me go and run it again. All the 4 elements has pushed, but your thread is not exited here till now. Your thread is still working. You can see red button here. The thread is still working here. So this is the beauty of reentrant locks. I have told you initially that you have different types of lock also, like stamped lock. I will talk of that in my next video. Thanks.